Welcome to Autoglide, your go-to channel for everything related to automobiles. In this video, we will be taking a detailed look at the 2025 Kia Sonet, covering its reviews, specifications, and features. The 2025 Kia Sonet is an exciting update to the compact SUV segment, offering a blend of style, performance, and technology. It is one of the most anticipated models in Kia's lineup, and we are here to give you all the insights you need. Starting with the exterior design, the 2025 Kia Sonet continues to carry the signature Kia styling with a more refined and aggressive front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a more muscular stance. The compact SUV's bold lines and curves make it an appealing option for city driving and urban landscapes while maintaining a strong road presence. Inside the cabin, Kia has made significant improvements to both the layout and the quality of materials. The interior now features a more premium feel, with soft touch materials, a larger touchscreen infotainment system, and an updated digital instrument cluster. The seating is comfortable, offering ample legroom for both front and rear passengers. The cabin space is intelligently designed to ensure practicality without compromising on comfort, making it a great option for families or those who need additional storage. In terms of technology, the 2025 Kia Sonet is equipped with a host of modern features. The infotainment system comes with a larger touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity, ensuring you stay connected on the go. The system is intuitive and easy to navigate, with quick response times. The SUV also offers advanced driver assistance features, including lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking, which enhance safety and provide peace of mind. Under the hood, the 2025 Sonet is expected to offer a range of engine options. While specific details are yet to be fully disclosed, it is anticipated to come with both petrol and diesel powertrains, along with a hybrid variant. The engines are expected to be more fuel efficient than their predecessors, providing a good balance of power and economy. Transmission options will likely include both manual and automatic, with a smooth and responsive driving experience. On the road, the Kia Sonet delivers a balanced and engaging ride. It offers good handling, with well-tuned suspension that absorbs bumps and rough patches effortlessly. The steering is responsive, making it easy to maneuver, especially in tight spaces. The overall driving experience is comfortable and enjoyable, whether navigating city streets or cruising on highways. Kia has also focused on providing a well-rounded set of features in the 2025 Sonet, from its design to its driving dynamics, safety features, and interior quality. It ticks all the right boxes for a compact SUV. The 2025 model is set to further elevate Kia's position in the segment with its blend of value, performance, and advanced technology. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on more automotive reviews and news, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn in the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and welcome to the Autoglide family.